Morning all. So today I wanted to talk to you about taking that customer complaint, the latest one, whichever one in your list, pick one, and let's have a look at how you can improve your business from that one complaint for the better. So grab that complaint and have a look at it and see whether it's something that you have purposely missed because you don't want to fix the issue, whatever that may be. Can you put anything into place that you can fix so that it doesn't happen again in the future to this person and to anyone else? That is the biggest part of it. How can you prevent this issue happening again and stop it from impacting anyone again in the future? This is you taking your feet and moving towards something called customer excellence, which is all about preventative action that you can take in order to improve your business and prevent anything from happening to your business and your customers in the future. So grab that one complaint and do that today. Have a look at what you can do with it. Is it a big change? Maybe you need to do some change management. Is it a quick fix that you could just simply change and it has a massive impact on lots of different people around your business? So have a look at that and let's do that. Now, if the customer complaint is something that you're basically scared of dealing with, maybe it's because it actually needs to be dealt with properly. Maybe ask someone to help you along the road of communicating with your customer, or even drop a comment down below and I might be able to help you master a response to your customer. But just make sure you don't leave them hanging for too long, because obviously that is another frustration from the customer perspective. So you want to look at your complaint, you want to look at what you can do to prevent it happening in the future, you want to fix the issue right now, and you want to communicate. I hope you found that helpful today. Please do like and subscribe. These are just little quick tips that I am throwing out there on my channel. I do have long form videos as well if you want to learn even more. Take a look, as I have multiple videos available. Cheers, bye.